What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best windshield sun shades on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Number 5.
In our list, the number 5 product name is EzyShade Windshield Sunshade. The EzyShade Windshield Sunshade is available in 3 sizes to accommodate sports cars, standard-sized vehicles, and large vehicles. The package includes 2 identical rectangular sunshades that you position as required for maximum coverage. They can be installed horizontally or vertically, and they reduce heat and block 99% of harmful UV rays. EzyShade reports that its product is quick and easy to install as well as fold and store when not in use. The shades also fit properly, so they don't look too sloppy on your windshield. In addition, the sunshades come with a non-slip dashboard mat to hold small items such as a cell phone. The 2-piece design makes them easier to put into place compared to other designs. They also noticeably cool down the interior. However, there can be some difficulty folding the shades back into the storage pouch. Also, the bonus dash mat is quite small and loses its stickiness over time. Price? Available in multiple sizes to suit many types of vehicles. Blocks 99% of UV rays. Includes a handy non-slip dashboard mat to hold accessory items. Cons: can be difficult to fold back up for storage. Dash mat is small and loses adhesiveness over time.
Number 4.
In our list, the number 4 product name is Autoamerics Windshield Sunshade. The Autoamerics Windshield Sunshade measures 28 by 31 inches and will keep your dashboard from fading and cracking and will keep the interior cool. The 2-piece rectangular design fits most standard cars, mid-size SUVs, and trucks, and you can install the shades vertically or horizontally for a better fit. It's made of high-density UV reflective material. These shades feature high-strength ductile wire and block 99% of harmful UV rays. They are fairly easy to install and remove. Just slide the shades under or over the rearview mirror. You may also have to use the sun visors to hold them in place. When not in use, you can store them in the included travel bag. The shades also come with non-slip dashboard mats to hold a cell phone, sunglasses, etc. These shades effectively block out most of the sun and reflect a lot of heat. However, the material is thin, so they may not be as durable as some other options. It can also be a little tricky figuring out how to pack them back up into the storage bag. Price: comes in 2 separate pieces for extra versatility. Blocks 99% of UV rays. Can install vertically or horizontally for optimal fit. Cons: material is thinner than some other options. Tough to fit back into the storage bag.
Number 3.
In our list, the number 3 product name is ShineMatix 2-piece Windshield Sunshade. Some sunshades can take up a good portion of your trunk when not used, but the ShineMatix 2-piece sunshade folds up compactly to save storage space. You simply twist and fold the 2 shades over each other into a small circle, wrap the circle with the elastic straps, and then tuck the shade into its carrying case. Many reviewers noted that it was small enough to fit into back seat pockets or the space between the passenger seat and the car's console. When not folded up, this sunshade consists of 2 identical rectangles that measure 12 x 11 inches. It's made of high-density nylon that protects against 99% of UV rays and is available in 3 different sizes, so you're guaranteed to get one that fits your windshield properly. What we like: compact, affordable, easy to use. What we don't like: doesn't fit all cars.
Number 2.
In our list, the number 2 product name is Enovoe Car Window Shade. Although most cling sunshades are made to protect your baby from the sun, the Enovoe Car Window Shade stands out for several reasons. In addition to blocking over 97% of harmful UV rays, the sunshade boasts a dual-layer design, a mesh side for visibility and heat protection, as well as a static cling back that offers easy window installation and removal without the use of adhesives. The 21x 14-inch shade will also fit most sidecar windows, including SUVs, minivans, large sedans, and other full-sized cars. Keep your baby a car cool with the Enovoe shade, which comes in a pack of 4. What we liked: affordable, dual-layer design. 4 pop. What we don't like: doesn't cover entire window.
Number 1.
In our list, the number 1 product name is Magnalex Windshield Sunshade. If you have a smaller car, this Magnalex sunshade is a great option to keep your vehicle cool and protected from sun damage. It's made of a reflective polyester material that blocks heat and sun. This shade is 59x 31 inches, and users love that it covers the entire windshield, giving you maximum protection from the sun. When you're done, you can easily fold up the car sunshade and store it in the included bag, which can be stashed under the seat or in the trunk. The shade also comes with a steering wheel cover sunshade, which fits over your wheel to prevent it from heating up and fading from sun exposure. If you have a larger car, the Magnalex sunshade also comes in other sizes. What we like: comes with storage bag, bonus steering wheel cover. What we don't like: better for smaller cars, challenging to fold